Hey, it's Jack here, and tonight we're going to be staying at the Signature MGM here in Las Vegas. It's off the strip, it's behind the MGM Grand. This hotel is a non-gaming hotel, but it does have a breezeway that connects it with the MGM Grand. So if you want to go game, you can go over to the MGM Grand on that breezeway. Well, we're going to head inside the hotel, check out the lobby, check out the room, see what else this hotel has to offer. Let's go check it out. If you park at Self Park MGM, follow the signs to Signature MGM Grand and look for this sign, and then follow the breezeway into the hotel. Now coming through the door, we can see here the breezeway. Today it is closed on the right side. The other side it is functional. So we're going to walk here until we can get a mechanical sidewalk and continue on. Alright, here we go. We can get on the mechanical sidewalk here, save us a little few steps anyway. Well, we arrived at the lobby for Tower 3. Let's go upstairs and check out the room. Coming off the elevator, we're on floor 38. We go to our right, we have a blank wall. Go to our left. Our room for the evening is 38804, which is to our left. And here we are, 804. Something to point out right away is they have these double doors that you can close. And there are two suites next to each other. Don't know if these are connecting. I'll find out when I go inside. Coming into the room, off to the left is the bathroom. We have a large jacuzzi tub right here. And their flavor of choice for the soaps is Cure for MGM Resorts. And next to that large tub, we have this large shower. And we got a sink with vanity. Got this guy waving at us. Two sinks. And if you can't get enough TV, they've got a TV right here in the bathroom for you to watch. Held behind this door, there's a toilet, and in case you need it, there's a phone on the wall. And coming out of the bathroom over here, we have the wet bar, and we have this guy right here. We have the wet bar, there's the ice bucket, there's 2 bottles of water, and up top there's a vase. Well, look at this bottle of water. It is not complimentary. It's a $9 bottle of water. If you get 2, that's $18 added to your room tab. And that's a 33.8 fluid ounce bottle of water right there. As we come into the living area, we've got this double door here. This is our closet. Got some extra blankets and pillows on top. Got our luggage rack. And we found our safe spot. Next to the safe spot, they have an ironing board and an iron. Opposite the closet is this large king bed. Got a couple nightstands there. It looks like we have a clock on both. There's a phone with a clock on the left side and just a standard clock there on the right side. We go into the room, we've got a couch. This couch also makes out into a bed. Got a chair there. A desk that you could do some work. And on the other side of the living area, we got the kitchenette here. We've got a burner, a sink, a microwave, the big screen TV, which looks about like a 42-inch maybe above the sink there, above the countertop, I should say. And they've got a large refrigerator, which is unstocked. Put your own stuff in there. On the counter here, they have a coffee maker. There's some coffee cups. We'll go over here and see what our view looks like for the evening. Looking straight out, we can see into the airport there. Got some Southwest jets all lined up, ready to take off. There are 3 towers here at the Signature MGM Grand. We're in Tower 3. This is Tower 2 over here. And then there's a light tower on the far side, which is Tower 1. And we are on the 38th floor, which is a top level here at the Signature MGM. If we look down, we can see what's called Top Golf. It is a golfing area. You go out there and can drive some balls. You try to hit them into these big nets that you see there. And looking down the street, it's called Harmon. And straight down there is the Virgin Hotel. That is the former Hard Rock Hotel here in Las Vegas. Coming off the elevator into the lobby. This is the lobby for Tower 3, the tower in which we're staying. Inside the lobby, they've got this pretty cool water fixture on the wall, this waterfall. Water comes down the tile. And looking up at the ceiling, we see this pretty cool chandelier. The thing they have here for food at the Signature at MGM, it's called Delights at the Signature. And they have sandwiches, they have some beer and so forth. They have gummies and pretzels and Cracker Jack and a bunch of snacks here for you to snack on, as well as some oranges and some apples. And if you need to get your drink on, they got plenty of that right here too. And here is our fitness center. There are people working out, so I'm just going to show a low angle of the door here, and we're going outside. At the door, they have their pool here. I am staying in Tower 3, so we have Pool 3 for Tower 3, and it is closed today for a special event. Coming back to the building, walking toward Tower 2 is Essentials, where they sell chips and snacks. There's some sundries here. There's also some drinks. There's some alcohol and some bottled water. And just around the corner from Essentials is lobby number 2. And here's that lobby here. A little bit busy, people checking in. We walk down to lobby number 1. We can see it's not the hustle and bustle of lobby number 2. Showing you here the different theming in the different lobbies here. I didn't notice this earlier, but coming off the elevator is the vending area. They tell us here where they have the snacks and sundries. That's on the 2nd and 37th floor, so we'd have to go down 1 floor. But they have beverages on these floors, and 38 is one of those floors. So let's go see what beverages they have inside of here. And we do have beverages. They've got the Coke machine there that has water, and they also have the ice machine here for you to fill up your ice bucket. And to note, the bottle of water here is a 20-ounce bottle of Dasani water. If we push the button, it tells us that that bottle is $3.25. So instead of paying $9 for the bottle of water in your room, come down here to the vending machine and get a $3.25 bottle of water. Well, here we are looking at Top Golf at nighttime, all lit up down there with the multicolored lights. And as we come up from there, we can look out across. Direction that way is Henderson. Well, it's now morning. We can see the sun is starting to show itself over the horizon there. So what was it like staying here at the Signature MGM Grand? Very nice, very quiet room up here on the 38th floor. Don't expect a lot of noise, and there wasn't any at all. Slept through the night. The bed was comfortable. As far as amenities of the hotel, they have the local pool here. It was closed yesterday due to a special event, but you're also allowed to use the MGM Grand pool. So you go down that breezeway and you can go into that pool and use the lazy river and the other pools that they have there. So this hotel is a hotel you want to stay in if you want to get your steps in. It is a half-mile walk between the parking structure, the self-parking structure I should say, and the towers. It's also a half-mile walk from the towers to the casino floor, half-mile walk also to all the restaurants at the MGM Grand. There is the one restaurant here called Delights. It's more of a quick stop type restaurant. They do breakfast, lunch, and dinner. They're open 7 a.m. to 9 p.m. The hotel has a lot going for it. It is quiet. It is off the strip, but you're close to the strip if you want to go. And as I mentioned earlier, everything's about a half-mile away as far as walking goes. But they do have Uber if you don't want to take your own vehicle, right? That pick you up right outside of valet. So the question is, would I stay here again? The answer is yes. Hotel's located off the strip, therefore it's not crazy busy like some of the other hotels. If you want crazy busy, it's a half-mile walk up the breezeway into MGM Grand. And also it's great for fitness, get your steps in, and everything's pretty accessible from here. So with that said, let's head on downstairs, check out Delights for breakfast. We have arrived at Delights for breakfast. This is their menu here. It's hard to read, sorry about that. And their lunch menu, and they have quick stop sandwiches as well. This has arrived, and this is what we have is scrambled eggs, some country potatoes. There's some bacon underneath the wheat toast here. There it is. We'll try this out and see how it is. Also got a cup of coffee over here.
Well, we'll start with the bacon. It's not floppy. This is a good start. Bacon's not only not floppy, it's very crispy. This is the way I like my bacon. Delight's bacon breakfast, thumbs up on that. The potatoes might be garlic potatoes. There's some parsley, and it looks like garlic on them. We'll try this out and see. There's definitely some garlic on those potatoes. Yum, yum. Good way to start the day. And lastly, the eggs. We'll try these out to see if they're fresh or if they're powdered. Tastes like they lightly seasoned the eggs with something. Can't place the taste, but it does enhance the flavor. Really like it, and the eggs are fresh. Breakfast was good, and also location's convenient. It is in Tower 2 lobby. You just come on in. You don't have to walk a half mile into MGM Grand to get breakfast, so just come here to Delight's. They have a breakfast menu and a sandwich menu, a lunch menu. They are open from 7 a.m. to 9 p.m.
Hope you enjoyed this walk-around tour of the Signature at MGM Grand here in Las Vegas. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell, and we'll catch you on the next one. Came up here to film the outro for this video. Couldn't help but notice, but the Madison Square Garden Sphere, or MSG Sphere, is illuminated this morning. The Sphere is a concert venue that has millions, if not billions, of LED that illuminate the whole sphere.